Pack up. It means to put things into a bag or suitcase. Example: it's time to pack up our things and leave for the airport. Heal up. It means to recover from an injury. Example: my doctor says it will take a few weeks for my arm to heal up. Rip up. Means to tear something into pieces. Example: she ripped up the old documents she no longer needed. Split up. Means to end a relationship or to divide into parts. Example: they decided to split up after being together for 5 years. Crack up. Means to laugh a lot. Example: the joke was so funny that we all cracked up. Pile up. Means to accumulate or gather in a large amount. Example: the work started to pile up on my desk after I returned from vacation. Let up. Means to stop or become less intense. Example: we waited for the rain to let up before going outside. Look up. Means to search for information or to improve. Example: I need to look up the address of the restaurant. Blow up. Means to explode or to become very angry. Example: the balloon blew up when it was overinflated. Give up. Means to stop trying or to quit. Example: I won't give up, no matter how hard it gets. Patch up. Means to repair or fix something. Example: he managed to patch up the tire so we could continue our ride. Chew up. Means to damage something by biting. Example: the dog chewed up my favorite shoes. Hurry up. Means to do something more quickly. Example: hurry up. We are going to be late for the movie. Speak up. Means to talk louder or to express an opinion. Example: please speak up. I can't hear you from the back of the room. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.